Welcome everybody to my art room, Carol's art room. Today in my video, I'm going to do a bloom, and I'm going to use, I want to hang it in my kitchen, and my kitchen is black, white, gray, and my accents are red. So I'm going to use red and black bloom on a white pillow. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, everybody, here I am to do the bloom. Just poured some white paint down on here. This is a little wooden canvas, 6 by 6, I believe. If I like it, I might do a bigger one, but I don't have a lot of wall space in my kitchen, so it'll just be a little bloom in the kitchen somewhere. All right. Got some air bubbles in there. Okay, so what I have today, I have a metallic Deco Art Ruby Red Extreme Sheen. Consistency. I'm going to use some Carmine Red by Amsterdam. And I made up some black. I don't use black often in my blooms, so I used a bit of some Pearl-Ex. It's called, I can barely read this. Oh, it's called Carbon Black. My little Pearl-Ex pigments. And then I added a little bit of Lamp Black Amsterdam in with it. There you go. And I'm going to use white Cell Activator. Just debating if I should put the black. I think I'll put the black. I don't know if I should put the black on top. Okay, I'll put the metallic red down first. Think I might just put the black on top because I don't want it to blend into the reds. So I hope this is the right way to go. So here we go. So I'm going to put the black on top. Not used to putting black inside. I'm thinking it's a cell activator, but it's not. Okay. My white cell activator. Break these little thin. It's like 3 to 1. So 3 Australian Floetrol and 1 paint. And I'm going to use my little mini blower. Ooh. Wow, that's beautiful. Not a lot of red. Not a lot of red. Well, there is some red coming through. Hopefully when I stretch it, more red will show. I was hoping for more red. Maybe I should have put the black in the middle of the red. Oh, I could always do another one and see, but this looks lots of pretty lacing right there. Not a lot of cells though. Well, there's some right here. think I'm going to take this off. Oh dear. Oh dear. I guess you can't see. Hello everybody. There is my dried canvas. Look how awesome that is. I really love it. Lots of lacing. Few cells in the middle, but it's mostly lacing. Dried nice and smooth. See if I can pick this up. Got a bit of a shine to it. You can see how smooth it is. Like that middle part. Anyway, there you go. There's my dried canvas. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.